Hey, I love tractors, and today let's talk about Proxima L450 with front end loader. This tractor is used for heavy duty work like lifting, loading, and clearing snow. But notice that fully enclosed cabin. You usually don't see that in India. Why? Because in India the climate is moderate, so open tractors are fine. But here in US, especially in snowy regions, an enclosed cabin protects the driver from extreme cold, wind, and even heavy rain. It also has heating and air conditioning for comforts in every season. So that's why tractors here have cabins. What do you think? Would you prefer an open or enclosed tractor? Let me know. Thank you.